3D character sculpting gives students an idea of the progression of technology in recent years. Beginning with a lesson on traditional box modeling techniques, they move into modern methods of organic modeling using ZBrush software that functions like digital clay. The advantage of digital clay is that it is more forgiving of mistakes due to an undo function, much like word processing software. For their final project, students create a character design from their imagination or another source of inspiration. Digital visualization introduces students to 3D modeling and the techniques behind it using Autodesk Inventor. Students begin with a rundown of the Inventor interface so they will be comfortable using the tools during lecture and when working on their own individual projects. Lecture is set up as an interactive experience. Rather than sitting and listening to the basics of parametric modeling, students work with examples, and the professor is right there with them, doing the same work on a projector screen. Each student then creates an exploded view of a functioning assembly, and from that present a finished animation of the project. Programming development shows students how to design and program web pages using the platform-independent programming language Java to add interactive content. Beginning with little or no programming experience, students learn basic programming skills and techniques, enabling them to develop a project that can include a playable board game, animated drawings, sound clips, and a variety of other elements that are limited only to the student's imagination. Interactive digital control applications give students the opportunity to learn the secrets behind modern electronic devices. Basic electronic theory taught by world-class faculty is reinforced with a number of hands-on experiments and projects. These include an electric field meter, LCD message display, and a magic wand which reveals a message by waving it in the air. Students use the state-of-the-art facilities at Tuscarawas to practice soldering techniques and learn the art of low-volume circuit board prototyping.
And we built a magic wand, and it displays messages when I shake it. And then we went home and thought about it a lot, and we came back, and we made a magnetic field detector that also detects RF waves and electric fields. And some people have some problems with that, but we all worked it out together. And, well, yesterday, some of us finished a digital display. And they can display text messages and lots of stuff like that. And then today, those that were done, designed and etched and built a little LED display today. So that's all the practice that we did, and I'd like to say that I really like this class, and that I got a lot better at soldering because of it.
game design utilizes the Unreal Tournament 3 engine to learn the fundamentals of video game design. Some of the topics covered include level design, item placements, player starts, weapons, textures, movement, and physics. Each student will use the Unreal Editor to build a fully functional level from scratch, complete with rooms, hallways, portals, decorations, and lighting. Each level is play tested by the students during development and at the end of the course for peer review. Train the Trainer allows those most important to the learning process, faculty, to learn ahead of their students. Sessions are hosted at our state-of-the-art facilities at Kent Tuscarawas in a comfortable environment that is conducive to the learning experience. This session of Train the Trainer gives teachers the opportunity to get a jump start on the fundamentals of Autodesk Inventor. The class focuses on parametric design philosophy through hands-on practice, intensive training. It gives the teachers knowledge needed for designing models from conceptual sketching, solid modeling, assembly design, and drawing production. Many of these teachers are Project Lead the Way instructors, effecting those who are in the career pathway for STEM. TRIZ is a Russian acronym for Theory of Inventive Problem Solving. It has a collection of powerful problem-solving tools for a broad range of patent and inventive problems. This session of Train the Trainer gives teachers new and creative ideas for quickly and efficiently solving problems. The topics range widely, but include how to best encourage and guide students and nurture individualism by creating projects centered around having fun while learning. To demonstrate their understanding of the TRIZ tools, each teacher prepares an outline and grading criteria for a project they could integrate into their courses.
That's a separation, putting a lid on it. Resolve the contradiction of marking and not writing.